My name is Scott Worley, and I'm the owner of Landsmith, and in this video, we're going to talk about our design engagement. With every project, we do some sort of design effort, whether we're coming up with ideas because we've got a feeling but we're not exactly sure what we're wanting, to evaluating an existing plan. The reason we do this is because we want to be confident in what we put together for you. We do this in 3 stages: draft, revise, and propose. For our draft stage, we meet over a Zoom call and share a screen with our design program. Our focus is to discuss things like arrangement, shape, and overall feel of the space. From this meeting, we'll have all the information we need to finish a version of the design, and that gets us ready for our next design stage, revise. For the revise stage, we invite you out to our studio where we've got samples so that we don't have to dodge a forklift at a yard. We've got a big screen to review the design, and we've got budgetary proposals so we can see how our design decisions have affected the costs. This helps us understand what our options are and what we want to see on a final design and a final proposal. And that leads us to our last stage, propose. At this point, we've designed together, we've budgeted together, we've got a pretty good idea of what you're going for, so making adjustments to the proposal is pretty easy. The design engagement ends with a well thought out final design and proposal ready for you to decide if you'd like to book the work.